Basically, we've been in last year and cleaned out the barn. We got rid of all the vegetation and treated that so it wouldn't come back this year. So inside the barn's in a lot better state now. Now we've got the ground mats in where we needed to. There's still some wet areas of the field on the access in. We've just delivered today the dumper and machine that we're going to use just to lightly excavate inside the barn to get rid of a lot of the material that's still in there. The roof's collapsed over the last five or 6 years. It's been slowly decaying away, and it had a Yorkshire stone slate roof on it. That's all near but gone now. There's probably 10% of that left.
Pulled all the timbers out, took the original roof slates off, found old shears, the old troughs for cattle to drink from, all sorts of ironwork, bits and bobs. We're pretty much ready for the scaffolders to come in now and get us moving forward.
The end job is just stabilization works and holding works. Basically, we're not returning the Yorkshire stone slate roof back on it. We'll be putting just a tin corrugated roof on it, just so that it stops any further decay of the barn till the clients can find an end use for it, really.